it's only me. I haven't done a video for absolutely ages. Not only have I been busy preparing for and doing Christmas markets, I've had one illness after another for months, and I even went deaf for a week or two as a result of a particularly nasty cold. That was an absolute pain, so frustrating. I've still got crackly ears, but enough of that, I'm here now. Now, I totally love some 1950s art, especially the Elgato stuff. So, the colours I'm aiming for in this soap are inspired by the 1950s colour palette, and I've chosen this pale blue, this a sort of greeny gold colour, and orange, because after all, it's an orange scented soap. Okay, enough said. I'll get on with the making. Let's see what happened and how it turned out.